Okay, Marley, I have some questions for you. Do you know where I'm from? No? Do you know where this is? This is London in England. I am from England. Can you say England?
England!
Good, England. I am from England. I am not from London, but I am from England. And this is a photo I took of London. This is maybe my favourite photo of London. Here we have a double-decker bus. Can you say this? Double-decker bus.
Bus.
Bus, good, but in England is special because 2 floors, see? So we call double-decker bus.
Double-decker bus.
Good, well done. And do you know what this is in the background? This is Big Ben. It's a very big clock. Can you say Big Ben?
Big Ben.
Good, well done. Okay, I have another picture for you. This is a picture from a holiday I went on. Is this a parrot? Is this maybe your friend?
No.
No, it's not. This is not a parrot. This is a flamingo. And I took this picture on holiday in South Africa. Do you like this picture of the flamingo? Yeah, can you say flamingo?
Flamingo.
Good, well done. What can I do with these pictures? I want to make maybe a photo frame, but I have 2 pictures and only 1 photo frame. I have an idea. I am going to make something very special. I'm going to make an optical illusion. Hello everyone, my name is Chris Cole. This is Marley and welcome to Crafty Hands. And today we are going to be making an optical illusion, okay? So I will show you how to make an optical illusion. First, you will need some coloured crepe paper, some card, some double-sided tape, a ruler, some scissors, a knife, something sharp for making lines. Here we are using a tool for modelling clay, okay? So just a tool with sharp edges for making lines. You can also use your knife. And some smaller pieces of card. You will see why later, okay? So, first, all we do, very easy, we take our big piece of card here. You will notice it is the same size, or maybe a little bit bigger than the photo, okay? So we take our card here, and we are going to put some double-sided tape on one side because we are going to stick our crepe paper onto our card. So, first, just take the double-sided tape, put down like this. Okay, so once you have taken all of your double-sided tape off, now you need to take your crepe paper and cut some strips like this.
Stripes.
Good, strips, well done. Strips like this. This will be for our frame. So first I will show you where to put them. All you are going to do is put the strips on around the outside like this. Just like this. Okay, once you have cut your strips, just take your scissors and cut the ends off, okay? 1, 2, 3, 8. Okay, so now we have the frame ready, okay? We have cut the strips off and they are stuck around the outside. So, let's just move this. Next, I am going to show you what to do with this cardboard, okay? What you need to do is take your pieces of cardboard like this and make into 3 lines like this. Once you have done that, you are going to fold them like this and then glue them together in a triangle, okay? Can you say triangle, Marley?
Triangle.
Good, triangle, like this, in a triangle, okay? So to do that, to glue them into a triangle, you will need a glue gun. Now be very careful, remember, glue gun is very hot. So to glue into a triangle, hold in triangle shape, take your glue gun and be very careful, put some glue along the top, okay? Some glue along the top, like this. Okay. Once you have finished gluing your triangles, they should look like this, okay? So I have here 3 I made earlier. I have 3 glued triangles, and I will show you what you need to do next, okay? So, now I have my triangles. I need to take my pictures and I need to start cutting. But first, let's remember. What's this, Marley? Do you remember?
Flamingo.
Good, this is a flamingo. And where does the flamingo live? Can you remember? It's
Africa.
Africa, good. This flamingo lives in South Africa. And can you remember what this is?
England.
Yeah, this is England. This is London. And this is a double-decker...
Double-decker bus.
Bus, good, double-decker bus. And this is...
Big
Ben. Good, Big Ben. So this is a picture of London. Yeah? You remember? Good. Next, what we need to do is we need to cut small parts from our pictures. And I will show you how much. You need to take your ruler and you need to cut 2.5 centimeters from each picture. Okay? 2.5 centimeters from each picture. So, to measure this, we put our ruler on our picture and we measure 2.5 centimeters. Okay? 2.5. So 2.5 is here. So I know where to cut. Okay? Then I just take my ruler again, this time so I have a straight line. And I take my knife. Remember, be very careful, this is very sharp. And I just cut on the 2.5 centimeters. Okay? So 2.5 centimeters of one picture is like this. Now, I'm going to take my picture of London and I'm going to do the same. So again, take my ruler on the edge. 2.5 centimeters is here. Okay, so now, again, ruler on the top, take my knife, and cut like this. Okay, so now you can see we have 2 parts of a picture. 2 different parts of a picture. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of my triangles, I'm going to put some double-sided tape here and here, and then I'm going to stick the pictures on. So I will show you how, okay? Take your double-sided tape, and you're going to put on one side of the triangle first, like this. Okay? Then cut with your scissors. Like this. Okay, once you have put one part of your picture on one side and the other on here, you are then going to glue the bottom onto your picture frame, okay? So all you must do, take your glue gun, put some glue on the bottom of your first triangle, like this. Okay? And then stick on your frame, like this. Okay? Okay, so once you have made all of your triangles with your pictures, it will look something like this. So you can see here, it's not finished yet, but on one side we have London, and on the other side we have a flamingo. Okay? So all I'm going to do now is take my last triangle, again, put some glue on the bottom like this. Okay, put a little bit of glue on the bottom and then stick on to my picture here, like this, okay? So now you can see, now that we have finished, we have Big Ben and a double-decker bus and London on one side, and then a flamingo from Africa on the other side, okay? So, if you made one of these, why not take a picture and send it to us at this address down here, because we'd really like to see what optical illusions you made as well. Also, if you have any good ideas, why not write them down and send those to us too, and maybe, just maybe, we might make them as well. Okay, Marley, let's remember some of the words from today. We had 2 pictures, yes? We had a picture of England.
England.
Good, England, with a double-decker bus.
Double-decker bus.
Good, and Big Ben.
Big Ben.
Excellent. And then we had another picture of a flamingo.
Flamingo.
Good, and the flamingo was from South Africa.
Africa.
Good, well done, Marlene. And then we had some other things as well, didn't we? We had strips of paper. Say strips for me.
Stripes.
Good, strips, well done. And we then put those strips of the picture onto a triangle, didn't we?
Triangle.
Good, triangle, well done.